Hi there, my name's Kelly and I'm a school support coordinator with ChatterHigh. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Jobs and Careers Exploration tool in the Pathways Planner. This tool helps you research occupations and gain insights into the labor market for careers that interest you. It's a great way to understand what a job involves, what skills and education you might need, and what opportunities exist in different regions. Creating a new report is easy. Start by selecting the occupation you want to explore. You can choose a career that you identified as interesting through the daily quiz. Or you can pick a different one that sparks your curiosity. You'll focus on only one occupation per report, but you can include as many different provinces as you'd like. Next, you'll research the labor market for your chosen occupation in each selected province. You'll have guided questions to answer as you go. And you can use the included labor market tool or any other resources to gather the information you need. It's important to note that as you research, ChatterHigh will automatically save your work so you can leave and come back as many times as you need. Take your time so you can collect as much information as possible. Once you've completed your research, there's space for self-reflection. Here, you can capture any additional thoughts you have, such as whether it seems like a good fit for you, what excites you about it, or any concerns or questions you may have. When you're ready to lock in your responses, select Finish. This will finalize your work and allow you to download a PDF. No further changes can be made to a report once it's finalized, but you may create as many new ones as you'd like to explore different jobs and careers. This report helps you to develop important skills by researching careers, comparing opportunities, and reflecting on your goals, which are all competencies that are valuable no matter what path you decide to pursue. Happy exploring!